For the savory one, I'm going to use store-bought dashi broth. It is my favorite, but if you can't find it, you can make it from scratch. The recipe is in the description box. So to make tamagoyaki, mix eggs and the seasonings. Heat cooking oil in a tamagoyaki nabe rectangular omelette pan. Of course, you can use regular frying pan and trim off the ends. Pour a thin layer of egg mixture in the pan and spread over the surface. Cook until half done and roll up the egg. Move it to one end. Heat cooking oil again. Pour in another thin layer of the egg mixture and let it flow under the rolled egg. Cook until half done and again roll up the egg. Repeat this until all the egg mixture is gone. Now wrap in plastic wrap while it is hot to even out the shape. When it is cool enough to handle, cut it into bite-sized pieces. And now it's done!